Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy messy bun hairstyle. To start, I'm going to pop some texture powder at the crown. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Now the next step is optional, but I've decided to add a little bit of back combing to the crown area for some more volume. So once you've got all of the hair back combed, just flip it back over and smooth the top layer with your comb. And then gather that back combed section into your hands and secure it at the back of the head with a clear elastic band. Then we're going to make a hole above the elastic band and pop 2 fingers through. Pass your ponytail to the fingers and pull it all the way through that hole to create a twist. Now I'm going to add some spray wax. Again, I'll leave it below, and I'm going to pinch and pull the hair at the crown for some more texture, and also I'm going to pinch and pull at the twists on both sides to loosen everything up a little bit. Now I'm going to section off the hair from the ear upwards at the front of the face and just clip it out of the way on both sides. Then I'm going to add some texture spray. Again, it will all be linked below. And with the rest of the hair, I'm going to do a simple 3-strand braid, tying it off with another clear elastic band. Then we're going to pinch and pull the braid apart by grabbing onto the edge of each stitch of the braid and really pulling it out. Do this on both sides of the braid. And to create the bun, I'm just going to roll the braid up itself until it reaches the nape of the neck. Then I'm going to secure all the way around the outside of that bun using as many bobby pins as needed. Release your side sections, and I've left some hair out to frame the face, and with the rest of the hair I'm just twisting this towards the head, and I'm going to bring it to the left hand side of the bun at the back and secure with a pin, leaving the ends hanging down. Then slip a bobby pin through the twist at the side to keep it secure. Then just repeat this on the opposite side, so twist everything towards the head, bring it to the opposite side of the bun and secure with a pin. Then just slip a bobby pin through the twist at the sides to keep it secure. Now with those little tail ends, I've just divided them in half and left one piece hanging down the side of the bun, and I've directed the other pieces underneath. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.